Life, give me one more torment, whilst I still have a breath to fight. The eyes can still shed a tear to drown the sorrows of the day. I long for a night of rest and resplendent sleep, yet tossed and turned quietly, and misery was the blanket. Wake up, said the morning. But who was asleep anyway? No glorious sunshine today, no bright blooms on shore, no trickling fountain, no company on a dreary day. Yet I'm here alone, yet memories are leaping, yet the new dawn is greeting, yet sipping hot tea is pleasing. Tears are flowing, yes, missing your early morning chatter, yes, kissing your old sweater, yes, the heart's torn and battered. Go, darling child, go find a peaceful corner, go to a new abode, go make new memories again. By Sughra Begum.